Hey everyone, it's Melissa with Big Universe Music, and today we're going to learn how to play Tennessee Whiskey. So grab your guitar and let's get started. Tennessee Whiskey is a song written by Dean Dillon and Linda Hargrove, but it's made popular by George Jones and Chris Stapleton. The chords that you use in the song are going to depend on which version you're going to learn. Today, I'm going to teach the George Jones version because it's the one that I know how to sing. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do another video on the Chris Stapleton version. Now, this one's pretty simple, but what I like about the George Jones version is that he uses a couple tricks to make it more interesting, even though it has a really simple chord progression. He uses a cool rhythmic change in the chorus. Boom, boom, boom. And later on in the song, he does a key change up a half step from E to F. We're going to start in the key of E for the first verse and the chorus. The chords that we use are E, A, and B7. We'll do a strumming pattern of down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Here's the first verse strumming through the chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. And going into the chorus, we're going to use those same chords, E, A, and B7. But for the first part of the chorus, when we say smooth, you're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. We're going to do a rhythm. And for us, we're going to use the lower strings on the guitar. You can palm mute the 5th and 6th string while you're doing this. In the recording, it's featured on the drums, but we're going to use our hands here on the strings to make the percussion sound. So I'm going to do, at the end of the chorus, you brought me back from being too far gone. I'm gonna stop and then I'll sing, you're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. So here's what that sounds like without me singing. So you'll notice that I'm playing just one string, but I'm still making the chord. Oh, side note, I occasionally bar that A chord, and when I do, I just avoid that high E string. And then when we say whiskey, it's full strum again. You're as sweet strawberry. If you struggle with bar chords, you can stay in the key of E for the next part of the song rather than going up to the key of F for the key change. But if you're feeling good about your bar chord skills, this is a great way to have a little bit of variety in the song. So let's get to the key of F from E by adding a little musical interlude using the E chord, the B chord, and the C chord. All right, let's get to that key change through some chords. We'll start with E, B, E, and then here's the 5 chord of the new key, it's C, and that lands us to F. So we're at F, B flat, and F for the new key. So in our new key of F, our 1 chord is F, our 4 chord is B flat, and our 5 chord is C. All right, so here's the second verse in the key of F. Going into the chorus, here's where we do that stop. 'Cause there's nothing like your love to get me high. And then stop and new rhythm. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. Tag it, we'll go B flat for a 4 chord. I stay stoned on your love. And we add a gospel ending with our B flat chord, our 4 chord. Time. Hope you enjoyed learning Tennessee Whiskey by George Jones. Make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on those bell notifications so that you know when new lessons just like this arrive for you. I'll see you later.